Hey guys, and welcome back to this video to my channel. This video will be a tutorial on how to make leg warmers, as you can see by the thumbnail and the title. So let me move the camera back a little bit. So you're going to choose your yarn color of choice. This is a very simple tutorial, and that's just how I'm going to do that. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to figure out how long do you want your leg warmers. It's up to you. The longer, the more you can scrunch it up. The shorter, obviously, is going to stay in one spot. I'm going to do from my ankle a little bit up my leg. So I figure I could just chain maybe like 30 or something. But I'm gonna chain 30 and then I'm gonna measure it and see if I like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I'm gonna check and see if 30 is enough for me. So I'm just gonna go from my ankle and then a little bit up my leg. And I think that should be fine. So I'm just gonna add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. Okay. So chain 36, and then we're going to turn our work around. And I'm going to work in the back bump, which is right here. This is the front 2 loops. And then you turn it around, you have the back bumps. So for the first 6, I'm going to put half double crochets. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if it's hard to get into, just take your time. Sometimes I just take my nail, push it through there. So that's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're gonna do 1 more. Which is the back bump is right here. And we're gonna put another half double crochet. And if you're wondering where the nails are from, I will link them down below. So okay, so after you have your 6 half double crochets, this is what it should look like. And then for the rest of the row 1, you're going to put double crochets in the back bump as well. So everyone should know how to make double crochets. If you don't know how to make a double crochet, I have plenty of videos doing double crochets and teaching you how to make double crochets. So everyone should know. If I remember, I will link down my beginner videos if you need to go get a little refresher, and I can link that down for you. So yes, I'm just gonna go down the whole thing going into the back bump only for the first round. And I'm gonna continue with the double crochets into the back bump. And like I said in the beginning, this is very easy to do. We're doing this for a reason. This part will be our cuff, and then we can flip it down once we're done with our leg warmers. So come back once you're done with the rest of round 1. Okay, so once you're done, this is what the first round should look like. Now you're going to turn your work and do the exact same thing, but this time you're gonna make double crochets into the back loop only. Everyone knows what the back loop is. The back loop is right here. This is the front loop facing the camera. This is the back loop. Whatever loop is not facing you, that's the back loop. So we're gonna double crochet all the way down until we get to our half double crochets, and then we're gonna do our 6 half double crochets at the end. And this is what it should be looking like. Going into the back loop. So meet me once we get to the last double crochet, and then we're gonna do the 6 half double crochets at the beginning. Okay, so now that I have finished all of my double crochets, I am going to do my 6 half double crochets in the back loop. So This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. And this is 6. So as you can see, it's gonna leave a little indent right here. You're gonna notice the difference the more rows you do. So for the rest of this tutorial, it's very self-explanatory. All you're going to do is continue the same pattern. Next row, you would make your 6 and then do your double crochets. Then you do your double crochets, then you do 6 half double crochets. You're gonna work in the back loop for each round that you decide to do. What you're going to do is, so if this is your leg, right? This is your leg. You're gonna go all the way around your leg. You're gonna crochet as much as you need to fit around your leg. Obviously you don't want it too loose, but we're still gonna put it in something so that way you can tie it up and make sure it doesn't fall down. I will show you that once I'm done. But you're gonna do as many rows as you need for your leg. I'm not sure how much you need for your leg because I don't have your leg here. So I can only do for my leg. I don't think I need a lot, but I'm gonna do to where it's comfortable. And when I get back, I'll let you guys know how much rows I did. So just continue on with the same pattern. And I'm probably gonna play some music and just finish out some rows. And that's just what that's gonna be. But this is what it's looking like so far. And then once you're done with your desired amount, come back, try it on your leg, try it as you go, come back, and then you'll move from there. Okay guys, so this is what I have so far. This is 28 rows, as you can see. This fits my leg. Obviously, if your leg is smaller, you won't have to do it as big. I have bigger calves, so I did 28 rows, but you don't have to. And this is what it's looking like so far. So now what you're going to do, which is obvious, you're going to take it and you're going to just seam up the sides. That's it, nothing else. Doing it in the back loops, give it some stretch, so that would be good. And if you need to add in something to tie, I will show you that in a second, but let's seam up the side. Okay, so now that you're done seaming down the side, this is what it's going to look like. And it's just simple and easy. It's open on both sides like you like it. If you were making a hat, obviously you would close up the top, but we're not making a hat. We're just doing the leg warmers. So you can stop here if you want, and I'll show you what it looks like on my feet. Okay, so you're gonna get your color of choice and you're going to feed it through, find your little center part somewhere like right underneath. I'm just gonna put it around here, and it does not have to be perfect. You can adjust it how however you see fit. Then I'm just gonna pull the other side through. I just wanted to say real fast that obviously if you want a more cinched in look, you would go all the way in, all the way around your the top part of the leg warmer, and you will go just tie it however
weave it in and out, in and out, in and out to make it a cinched. But I just wanted a bow in the front, so just want to give that disclaimer.
Clean up the string, make it a little shorter.